I'm going to walk you through the steps of dividing a decimal by a decimal. The first example we're going to look at is 2 4/10 divided by 3/10. The first step is to take the 3/10, always focusing on the outside number first, and turning that into a whole number. You must have a whole number on the outside of your division problem. 3/10 is going to convert to 3 wholes. In order to do that, we would be multiplying the 3/10 by 10 or moving the decimal point one space to the right. Because we have done that to the outside number, we need to do the same to the inside. We're also going to multiply it by 10 or move the decimal point one space to the right, creating the whole number 24. Once you have made your changes to both numbers, the final step is to divide them using the new numbers you created. 24 divided by 3, and your quotient is 8. A second example would be 1 44/100 divided by 6/10. First step is to convert our 6/10 into 6 wholes. In order to do that, we would multiply our 6/10 times 10, or move the decimal point one space to the right. Because we did that with the 6/10, we also need to do the same step with the 1 44/100. Because this one was multiplied by 10, we also multiply this by 10. You have to do the same to both. So we'll also move this decimal point one space right, creating 14 4/10. Now the final step is to follow your long division process with the numbers that you've created. So I'm going to divide 6 into 14. 6 can go into 14 2 times. It's important to place the 2 above the 4 because the 14 was the number we were dividing into. If you place the answers in the digits in your quotient in the wrong location, you're going to get an incorrect answer at the end when you add the decimal point. Next step, 6 times 2 is 12. Then we subtract. 14 minus 12 is 2. Bring down our 4. Because we had a digit to bring down, we need to follow our long division process one more time. 6 goes into 24 4 times. Important to place that 4 above the 4 that was brought down. 6 times 4 is 24. And no remainder. You should not get any remainders with your decimal division problems. Final step now is to take the decimal point and move it up into our answer. So our quotient is 2 4/10.